Hi, we're going to go over creating, adding, editing, and deleting a user list from the Seesmic desktop. A user list is a very powerful tool in order to create groups for your stream. When you create a user list, you can create one by clicking on the plus sign and then be able to name the user list. Here we will say work contacts. When you click on the new user list, you'll notice that your stream is empty because we have not added any users to the user list. In order to add a user to the user list, you click on the gear wheel and a selection to add to user list. When you do, there'll be a selection of all the user lists that you've created. Here is work contacts. You can add users to user lists from either another user list or from your account, or from searches. You'll notice that when you add a user to the user list, they are only added going forward. So any messages sent by the users will show up in your user list, but not retroactively. In order to edit a user list, you can go to Edit List Settings. When you click on that, you'll have the user list members as well as your user list name that you can edit. You can also delete individual users from your user list. In order to get back to the messages from your user list, you can click Save. If you want to delete a user or a user list, you can go to Delete Lists. This completely wipes out the user list that you've created. And as you can see, it no longer is in the sidebar. A couple other things that you want to think about as well is clearing the timeline. Sometimes you'll have messages that get a little bit convoluted and you'll want to clear the timeline. You can press this and be able to clear the timeline. For the other button, we can click on Move to Detach. So any user list that you want to create a separate column for, you can create this. And as you can see, it shows up here. In order to remove the column, you can close the user list, and it works just like any other column. So good luck making user lists. If you have any questions, please contact help.seesmic.com. Thank you.